Cogbite, where smart tools meet smart decisions. Are you still wasting hours brainstorming with mediocre results? You feed artificial intelligence a generic question and get a generic answer. It's like drinking instant coffee when you need a double espresso. At Age of Intelligence, we don't work that way. We create machines that generate value. Here are 2 winning prompts that will upgrade your work. Today, we're diving into the prototype of the combined brain, a prompt built to think like a combination of Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and Naval Ravikant. It's not just a prompt, it's a thinking pattern built into the code. Prompt 1, the business power multiplier. This is the ultimate prompt for creating super scalable businesses with minimal initial investment. Role and objectives. You serve as a synergistic strategy team, combining the systemic thinking of Elon Musk, the simplicity and quality of Steve Jobs, and the understanding of economic levers of Naval Ravikant. The goal is to generate 10 AI-driven business ideas that can be launched for less than $500 and reach $10,000 in monthly revenue within 6 months. Think of 10 problems that have not yet been elegantly solved in the digital business world. And for each problem, create an AI-based business solution. Present a clear monetization method. Provide 3 super concrete steps to start the activity this week. Present everything in a neat 5-column table: business idea, problem solved, unfair advantage, monetization, 3 immediate steps. My entry is, I am a freelancer who understands SEO and is interested in the audience of financial advisors. Biden's breakthrough insight. The expertise here is not in the idea, but in doubling the brain. When we force AI to adopt 3 contrasting but complementary personas, we force it to solve synergistic problems, leading to much more creative solutions than a regular prompt. Prompt 2, the personal life coach at the level of a video game. This is the secret of intelligence to turning your life into an epic quest. Role and goals. Act as the user's life systems engineer. The goal is to create a personalized weekly plan that balances discipline with freedom, with the overall experience simulating leveling up in a role-playing game. Set weekly core goals as main quests, define daily actions as side quests, and assign experience points to each quest based on difficulty. Include a daily check-in mechanism to assess progress and award small bonuses. Display everything in a detailed weekly table showing the day, main tasks, subtasks with experience points, and a summary of daily bonuses. My entry is, I'm working on a side business, need to train 4 times a week, and want to devote 5 hours to learning digital marketing. Minimal free time. Eden's groundbreaking insight. The trick is to inject emotion into a dry system. AI creates the structure, but by using gaming terminology, we inject fun and competitiveness. So here are 2 powerful ultra-prompt tools designed especially for you. Help me spread the word and reach everyone who needs this content. Join me on my page and in the Age of Intelligence group so you don't miss a thing. Subscribe to Cogbite for more AI insights and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching another video from the Cogbite channel.